Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Iptv Smarters Pro app on Firestick. The first step, you need to enable app from unknown sources, turn on your Firestick and navigate to the settings from your home screen. Then you need to scroll to My Fire TV and select developer options. Turn on apps from unknown sources. If you also see ADB debugging, you need to turn that on, and in the step 2 you need to install the downloader app. Go back to the Firestick home screen, use the search function, magnifying glass icon and type downloader. Select the downloader app from the list and click on download or get. And then you need to install, and once it is installed you need to open to launch the downloader app. And in the next step you need to download Iptv Smarter Pro. In the download app you see a text box to enter a URL. Enter this URL that I mentioned. You can also find the latest APK on the official Iptv Smarters website if the above URL change. Then you need to press go and app will start downloading the Iptv Smarters APK. Once download, you will be promoted to install it. Select install, and in the next step, that is step 4, you need to launch Iptv Smarters Pro. After installation, click open to launch the Iptv Smarters Pro app. You can also access it later by going to your app and channels section on the Firestick home screen. And in the step 5, setup Iptv Smarters Pro. Open the Iptv Smarters Pro app. You will need to go into using your Iptv provider credentials. These may include your username, password and M3U URL which you get from your Iptv Smart Service provider. And once set up, you should be able to stream content via Iptv Smarters Pro on your Fire Stick. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.